Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I have an unboxing for y'all. My daughter had a free coupon so I can get a home chef meal. Look at this. I just looked in it. I didn't take no food out. So this is home chef. So I'm going to. Okay, this is on top. I ordered 2 meals for 2 people. So this is what's on top. An envelope. And this is what I ordered. Marsala mushroom smothered pork chops. So this will be enough for 2 people. And it has the preparing and cooking instructions on the back of this card. And I ordered the steak with creamy corn risotto. And this is the instructions on how to cook it. And I put it in a notebook if I want to. Okay. Came packaged up nicely. This is insulation with plastic over it. Wow. This is how it comes packaged up, y'all. Very nice. Which one is that? We got mushrooms. What is that? It's the Marsala mushroom smothered pork chops. It's sealed. I don't want to open it till I'm actually ready to cook it. Oh yeah, I can open it like this. It slides open. Okay, we're gonna see. Oh, nice mushrooms. Baby Bella mushrooms. Criminy mushrooms. I don't want none. Walker here eat them. String beans. Fresh string beans, y'all. That's enough for 2 people. I mean, if you ain't greedy. Pot roast seasoning in a little packet. Wow, they put everything in here. Garlic. I never use garlic. I use garlic powder. Well, I guess I use some garlic this time. What is this? Butter. What's this? Some kind of oil? Everything is labeled. Oh, Marsala wine. So this is wine. And chicken demi glace concentrate. Okay, this is nice. Got everything you need to work with. Put it back in here. Very nice. Close it back up. I like how nicely it's packaged. Okay. I'm going to get to the meat. Then I'll show you the other meal. It has a piece of cardboard that separates the vegetables from the meat. Oh, it has ice pack. Nice ice pack to keep the meat frozen or cold. Let me see if it's frozen. Okay. Center cut pork chops. They're kind of little. We usually eat 2 or 3 pork chops at a time. Well, the meat for that meal is the pork chops. So it is 2 little pork chops. Let me open this. But I like how nicely it's packaged up. That's 2 pork chops. They equal 12 ounces. So I guess there's 6 ounces each. Okay. Nice. Alright, now we're going to talk about the other meal. So all that stuff was to make this meal. Okay? Everything is in there. Now we're going to talk about the stuff to make this meal. The steak with creamy risotto. With creamy corn risotto. Alright. Here's the steak. Sliced beef strips. They say it's sliced, but I don't see no slices. Maybe it is. So it's 10 ounces. Okay. And I'll show you the stuff that comes with it. Corn. Did y'all see it? Tomato. It's fresh. Oh, these onions. They're fresh. Arborio rice for the risotto. Parmesan. I ain't even gonna open this. I can't stand the smell of it. What's this? Sour cream. Pot roast seasoning again. Another pot roast seasoning. Another sour cream. And beef flavored demi-glace concentrate. Okay. Put this stuff back in here. Everything is nice and fresh and it's cold. It was on the porch and it was going to be cold anyway. Because it's probably about 19 degrees here now. So, this is for, that's what this meal is supposed to look like after it's fixed. Okay. Here are the instructions for cooking it. Alright. This is free, y'all. Let's see if there's anything else in this box. Nope. But it was packaged up nicely. Look how well insulated it is with this insulation. And it's plastic. It's plastic on each side and it's a layer of insulation in between the plastic. So the whole box was insulated. The bottom, the sides, and the top. Nicely packaged. So make sure there's nothing else in here. Okay, that's it. Very nice. And this is Home Chef. That was quick. I just picked my stuff about 3 or 4 days ago. This came quick. Less than a week. My daughter gave me a coupon code for 2 free meals. I picked what I wanted. And it's here. So, I want to thank you for watching. And I will show y'all when I cook this. Everything is fresh. Nice and fresh. And I can keep this Creative Ice Pack. Okay, let's see. What's this? Deals. I ain't gonna use this. Okay. So, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Nice fresh food. I just hold up one. Okay. Y'all be blessed. Bye.